try it?
Yeah.
Go on, grab it.
Thank you.
Come here, let me show you. Go. Tight. Hands together. Yes, boy. You learned that so quickly. How many minutes did that take you? Like 2 minutes? Very well done, very well done. Does that mean I'm a very good teacher? Or you're a very good learner?
I'm a very good learner.
You're a very good learner, okay.
Yeah. I was good at everything. Once my sister, I was on my bike and I didn't know how to ride my bike. Yeah, but then my sister pushed me down a tiny hill and then that's when I started knowing how to ride my bike.
Yeah. Oh, really? So you just learn like that?
Yeah.
Let me show you something really fast. Look. See if you can do this one, yeah? We'll start here. Spin, down. Spin, up. See, stop. Easy?
Yeah. The nunchucks are cool.
They're really cool, huh? So start here. Spin, 1, down. Yes. Spin up. And down. And up. And down. You're a master already. Soon you're gonna have to teach me.
Yeah.
I have to go home now. But maybe I'll see you in the park next time. Next time I see you in the park, I'll bring 2. 1 for you, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. Good to meet you.
If you bring 2, can I keep 1, please?
Yes,
Thank
I'll
you.
give you 1 so that you can train with it, okay? But I have to ask your mum first, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Well done.
She'll probably say yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Next time I see you, we'll learn some new stuff, yeah?
Yeah. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Today you become a nunchucks master. Soon you'll be teaching all your friends at school.
Why are they called nunchucks?
I don't know. The real name is Nunchuck.
Nunchuck.
Yeah. And they used to use it in the farms to cut the rice fields. That's crazy, isn't it?
What?
Yeah,
But now I want to try them again and then cut down. There was a bird. That's the bird that I tried to hit with the nunchuck.
Oh, you won't hit it. It will be too fast.